Welcome back. Exercise 6.5. Some more questions left in that exercise. We will complete that exercise today. Okay. Question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So according to the question, I have drawn the figure here. See, look at the question. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. That means square of these sides or these length given there. That means you have to apply Pythagoras theorem there. Okay, so for applying Pythagoras theorem, you need right triangles. So draw a perpendicular from A to BC. That means AP is the altitude of the equilateral triangle ABC. So altitude of an equilateral triangle is also its median. That means AP is the altitude as well as its median. That means P is the midpoint of the side BC. So P is the midpoint of the side BC means you can write that BP and PC are equal. Isn't it? Yes. That means PC is equal to BC by 2 or BP is equal to BC by 2. Okay, I have written here. It is an equilateral triangle, so you can write that BC, AB or AC, all the sides are equal. So BC by 2 means that is AB by 2. Okay. അത് എന്തിനാണ് ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ മാറ്റിയെന്നറിയോ? എ ബി ബൈ 2 ആക്കി. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ബി സി ബൈ 2 ആയിട്ട് തന്നെ റിമൈൻ ചെയ്യാത്തതെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നമ്മളുടെ ആൻസറിലേക്ക് നമുക്ക് എ ബി ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ബി സിയെ എ ബിയുടെ ടേംസിലേക്ക് ആക്കാൻ എളുപ്പമാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എ ബി ബൈ 2 എന്ന് എഴുതി. ബിക്കോസ് ഇവിടെ ആവശ്യം എ ബി ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ദെൻ what is BD? It is given that BC by 3, and in the second right triangle, that means in APD, AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. So our DP ennulla aa measure name I changed in terms of BC. BC ന്റെ ടേംസിലേക്ക് ആക്കി AB ലേക്ക് ആക്കാൻ എളുപ്പമാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് BC ലേക്ക് ആക്കുന്നത്. Okay, so BD is equal to BC by 3, that is given to us. DP is equal to BP minus BD. Isn't it? Yes. What is BP? BP is BC by 2 and BP. So BC by 2 minus BD is BC by 3. Now from there you take LCM. LCM is 6. So in 6, ഈ 2 6 എത്ര ടൈംസ് പോകുന്നു? 3 ടൈംസ് ആണ് പോകുന്നത്. That 3 into BC, that is 3 BC. Then 3 ഈ 6 എത്ര ടൈംസ് പോകുന്നു? 2 times. That 2 into BC, that means 2 BC. Then you will get 3 BC minus 2 BC by 6, that means BC by 6. Again from there also I changed that BC in terms of AB. That means BC by 6 means AB by 6. Okay, that means DP is AB by 6. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എല്ലാം കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമുക്കിത് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. I have right triangle here. APC is there, APB is there, APD is there. So I'm going to apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle APB first, because ഇവിടെ എ ബി സ്ക്വയർ ആണ് എനിക്ക് ആവശ്യം. അപ്പോൾ അപ്പുറത്തുള്ള എടുക്കണ്ട, ഇവിടെ എടുക്കാം നമുക്ക്. APB in right triangle APB, AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. Okay, what is BP square? BP is equal to AB by 2. That means AB square is equal to AP square plus AB by 2 the whole square. Okay, which is equal to AB square is equal to AP square plus AB square by 4. Okay, now the second triangle, in right triangle APD also apply Pythagoras theorem. AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square. Okay, that is equal to AP square plus DP is AB by 6. That is AD square. Okay, it's equal to AP square plus AB square by 36. Now look here, നമുക്കിനി ഈ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ എ പി സ്ക്വയറും വേണ്ട. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഇവിടെ എ പിയുടെ വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ട്. ആ വാല്യൂ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടുന്ന് എ പിയുടെ വാല്യൂ കിട്ടും. എ പി സ്ക്വയർ ഇസ് ഇക്വൽ ടു എ ബി സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് എ ബി സ്ക്വയർ ബൈ 4. ഓക്കെ, ഇതിന് മാത്രം ഇവിടെ നിർത്തി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതിന് ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്കത് കിട്ടും. നോക്കാം നമുക്ക്. AB square minus AB square by 4 is AP square. Okay. That is equal to 4 is the LCM there. Then 4AB square minus AB square. That is, this is equal to 3AB square by 4. That means AP square is equal to, from here you will get AP square is equal to 3AB square by 4. So here that value you substitute 4 plus AB square by 36. Here take LCM, 36 is the LCM there. So in 36, 4 how many times? 9 times. Okay. That 9 into 3AB square. That is equal to 27AB square minus, plus AB square. That is 28AB square by 36. I'll write here, okay? That is 28AB square by 36. You will get AD square, and that value of AD square is 28 AB square by 36. Here 4 is a common factor, isn't it? Yes. 4 okay. Then you will get 7AB square by 9 is equal to AD square. Then cross multiply this. That is 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. This is multiple. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Look at the steps. Question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitudes. Okay, here I have drawn an equilateral triangle and AP is its altitude. Okay, now we want to prove that 3 times the square of one of its sides. That means 3 into AB square is equal to 4 times of its square of its altitudes. That means 4 AP square. Here AP is the altitude of the equilateral triangle. That means AP is also its median. Okay. That means for an equilateral triangle, the altitude and the median are same. That means P is the midpoint of the side BC. Then you can write BP is equal to BC by 2 or PC is equal to BC by 2. Okay. BC and AB are equal because this is an equilateral triangle. So BP is equal to BC by 2 means BP is equal to AB by 2. Okay. In the end, AB by 2 like because in the proof I want AB square. Okay. Now in this triangle you apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, you will get AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. That means BP, here we have BP is equal to AB by 2. Substitute that value here. Then AB by 2 the whole square means AB square by 4. Then you take this AB square by 4 to the RHS of the equation. That means we will get AB square minus AB square by 4. Then here you take LCM. 4 is the LCM. Then here you will get 4AB square minus AB square, that is equal to 3AB square by 4. That means AP square is equal to 3AB square by 4. Then you cross multiply. Then you will get 4AP square is equal to 3AB square. Okay. Now look at the steps. Number 10. A guy wire attached a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long. That means the length of the wire is given to you, that is 24 meter, and the pole's height is given to you, that is 18 meter. ഈ വയർ ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു കുറ്റിയോട് ഇങ്ങനെ പിടിച്ച് കെട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്, അതായത് ഇങ്ങനെ വലിഞ്ഞു നിൽക്കുന്ന രീതിയിൽ. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ഹിയർ എ റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഈസ് ഫോമിങ് ആൻഡ് വി വാണ്ട് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് the length of BC. So apply Pythagoras theorem there. Okay, then in right triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That means substitute the values, then you will get 24 square is equal to 18 square plus BC square. That means 576 is equal to 324 plus BC square. Then BC square is equal to 576 minus 324. That means you will get 252. BC square is 252. That means BC is equal to root of 252. Then find out the root of 252 by prime factorization method. Look here. Then you will get, that is 252 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. That means 2 square into 3 square into 7. Okay. Root of 2 square is 2, root of 3 square is 3, and then root 7. That means 6 root 7 meter. Question number 12. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. That means two poles are here, AD and BC are two poles. AD is equal to 6 meter and BC is equal to 11 meter. And the distance between these two poles, that is 12 meter, it is given to you. Okay, so look at the figure. In the figure, here this length, so this is 12 meters, so you can draw AP which is parallel to CD. That means this is 12 meter. Okay, if this is 12 meter, this is also 12 meter. Okay, then AD is equal to 6 meter, then PC also 6 meter. Okay, then BP is equal to BC minus this 6 meter, that means 5 meter. Okay, that means you will get triangle APB is a right triangle here. Okay, in right triangle APB, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. That means AB square is equal to BP square plus AP square. That is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. That is 144 plus 25. 169. AB square is equal to 169. Therefore, AB is equal to root 169. That is equal to 13. Distance between their tops, that means AB. The length of AB is 13 meter. Question number 9. A ladder 10 meter long reached a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Okay. Look at the figure. Window is here at the point A. Ladder is placed like this, that means AC, that is 10 meter, and the wall is AB, and the wall and the ground making an right angle there. So you can see right triangle ABC. In this right triangle you apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then after that substitute all the values. AC we have, that is 10 square, AB is 8 square, AB is 8 square plus BC square. Okay, now find out. This you can do yourself. Question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. Okay, let this be the airport. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. North means this direction. Okay. Let A be this aeroplane and O is the airport. And another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west. Okay. Another aeroplane B from the same airport and flies due west. West is this direction. Okay. Okay. At the speed of 1200 km per hour, how far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hour? That means after 1.5 hour, ഈ രണ്ട് പ്ലെയിനും എത്ര ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ്, അതായത് ഈ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഹിയർ എ റൈറ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ is forming, and given that the speed of the flight A is 1000 km per hour, that means in 1 hour the distance covered by flight A is 1000 km. Similarly, in 1 hour the distance covered by flight B is 1200 km. We want to find the distance covered by both flights after 1.5 hours. Okay, so 1 hour 1000 ആണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ. അപ്പോൾ 1.5 hour means 1.5 means this is a mixed fraction, so make this into improper. That means 2 into 1 2 plus 1 is 3/2. So 1.5 is 3/2. So after 1.5 hours, the distance covered by flight A is 3/2 into 1000. That is equal to 1500. This is 1500 km. After 1.5 hours, the distance covered by flight B is 3/2 into 1200. That is 1800 km. Okay. Now you can apply Pythagoras theorem in the figure. Okay. Look at the steps. After applying Pythagoras theorem, you will get AB is equal to root of 54 lakh 90,000. That means 549 into 10,000. Then find out the root of 549 and 10,000 separately. For finding root of 549, you can use prime factorization method. 549 is 3 square into 61. Okay. Look here. Then 10,000 is 100 square. Okay. Root of 3 square is 3. Root of 100 square is 100 and 61 root 61. Write it like that. Okay, that means you will get 300 root 61 kilometer. Hope this is clear to you. And we completed all the problems in all the exercise in that chapter. Okay, നിങ്ങൾ തനിയെ ഇരുന്ന് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും കിട്ടും.